Hello guys, so today we're gonna replace the clock spring on a Nissan QQ Plus 2 2008. I have the airbag light on and I tried everything. Some of the Qashqais they have with one wire, this is with two, so better make sure before you buy your clock spring, otherwise you might need to return it. Really important is to disconnect the battery. You start first with the negative, with the black wire, and then you continue with a red one, which is the positive. Make sure you secure so the wires they don't touch the terminal. And according to YouTube, it's telling me that I should wait at least 3 minutes plus, maybe. Still, the mechanic told me to wait for half an hour, so now I'm just following his advice. Probably it's too much, but just to make sure, I will do that. Then I will just need to take out this part. Last time that I did it, because I tried before I bought the clock spring, it was quite difficult to take it out. For some of the videos it's quite easy for some of the people, and for me it wasn't, so just my luck. You just need a flat screwdriver and push it. You can try, and while pushing you should try a little bit of shaking this part, trying to remove it, try to help yourself. And there's one side, in both sides you're gonna find like a clip, and you just need to push it. That's why you need the flat screwdriver. Okay, so we managed to take out this cover. Make sure you don't grab it too hard, because it has wires connected, so you don't want to break anything. The way that the screwdrivers, the flat screwdriver should enter, we can be seen here, so just like that. I don't know if you've seen it. So there's a clip in front of it, it will be pushed. Let me see, this is the clip. So it's a little bit stiff, but you should manage if you grab a little bit from the cover. Now we need to disconnect all these wires, this one, and then I guess this too. Yeah guys, it took me a while to disconnect these two terminals, like the yellow and the orange one. It has quite an interesting way to take it out. I managed to find on internet, of course. You just need to try to push the screwdriver under the black cover. Just to rectify something, you don't need to take out these screws, only the one in the middle. Make sure, on my car there's a line, so these ones need to be aligned, but if you don't have this, just draw a line with a marker. Okay, so it took me quite a while, maybe 10 minutes, trying to unscrew this. I managed to do it, but what I did is just change the position of the wheel. Also need to take out this ring, the key, and then we just need to work out it in taking this out, so we can remove the actual clock spring and replace it. There should be some bolts in here. Okay, so this should be quite easy. It's a star bolt. Okay, and it looks that there are 3 screws like this, which is here, there, and all the way down. And then you just need to take these 2 parts off. I need something like this to take it out. Yeah, next thing, we just need to take this out, and then the second one, there are 2 clips. You can just push here somewhere on these ones, and it will go quite easy. Okay, and now last part, we do have some other screws here, one there and one there, and we should be able to take out the clock spring. Now we managed to take this out. but obviously I have 3 more connectors, so hopefully we remember to put them back. So it was quite difficult to take out this wire as well. You just need to push here, push on this, and then try to pull it out. What else I discovered is that this one has an extra wire, and I need to attach this to the new one. This is not covered at all, so it's quite different. Okay, so now we unscrew this and then we take it out. I try to see if it fits on the other one. Okay, so it did fit. Let's try to reassemble everything and let's see if it works. Very important, guys, before you assemble the clock spring, you just need to make sure that it's resetted. This will rotate like 6 times to the left now. Now this one, for some reason, it is rotating 5 times and 75, let's say. Normally it should go like 6 times, so you should have 3 times to the left, 3 times to the right. You stop in the middle. Otherwise, if you assemble it and you have let's say 5 times in the right and 1 time in the left, once you move the steering wheel you're gonna break it, so you need to buy another one. Okay, so I've managed to put it back. Like every step, it took me a while. Wheel back, and it's very important that this is perfectly aligned. Okay, so I finished. I connected the battery, I turned on the engine, the light was still there, I reset it, and now I'm waiting to see if it will come up again. Hopefully not.